Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. So this video is going to be an eyeshadow video and I'm going to be using the color theory once again to help me create this eyeshadow look. And so to help me is my student here called Naomi or Naomi depending on where you are coming from. And so I've already done her brow and her face, and so I'm going to be doing her eyeshadow. And before I start, I'm going to apply my Revolution Ultimate Eye Base as my eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to make sure I blend after I apply the eyeshadow primer. So fam, what the eyeshadow primer does is that it serves as a base for the eyeshadow you are about to apply, and it also helps the colors of the eyeshadows to pop. And the brush I'm using to blend the eyeshadow primer is the Sarat Cosmetics CB7 eyeshadow brush, and this is a really good brush for blending my eyeshadow primers. I love using it to blend my eyeshadow primers. And so far, the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the Juvias Masquerade palette, and I'm going to take the shade called Burkina and I'm going to use that as my transition shade, and I'm using the CB12 brush to blend that shade all over her crease area. And I'm using this shade because I don't want any other color to take away from the orange and the red I'm about to apply as my main colors. So fam, I'm going to be using this Sarat Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this bright orange and apply that in the inner part of the eye, that is from the beginning of the eyelid to the middle part of the eyelid. So fam, as I take the color, I make sure I press it in, and this is to control the shadows so that it doesn't mess up the makeup I have underneath the eyes. And so I'm going to press that color in and also take it a little bit into the socket area right above where the mobile lids end. And I'm going to take this red color and I'm going to pack that on the outer V and blend it to meet the orange where the orange ended. So fam, according to the color theory, when you mix a red and a yellow, you are going to get an orange. And this means that orange is going to blend well with yellow, and it's also going to blend well with red. So fam, I'm going to link a video down in the description box below where I explained the color theory into detail, and I also did an orange and a yellow on one eye. And so here I'm going to do an orange and a red on both eyes. And so fam, I'm going to go in again with the colors just to intensify the colors I have going on here. And I love how this orange and red is blending. Indeed, the color theory doesn't lie. It's a beautiful match and a beautiful blend. And so I'm going to go in with my Burkina once again to blend in the colors in the crease area well to avoid any harsh lines. So fam, I'm going to repeat what I did on the other eye on this eye right here. And so if you love color and you don't understand how to use color or how to blend them, this video and the other videos I have on the color theory and how to use them in applying your eyeshadow is going to help you get rid of that fear and go in and explore more colors and how to blend the colors together. So you are going to love using color after watching this video. if you love color, this video is for you. And so fam, if you have come this far in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos on makeup tutorials, beauty and more. So fam, I'm going to go ahead now and apply the eyeliner, some mascara and then some falsies. So fam, now I'm going to use this CB10 brush to apply the orange and the red on the lower lash line area, just like I did for the upper lid. I'm going to repeat that on the lower lid. And fam, I'm going to apply some mascara to let the lower lashes pop as well. So from here, I'm using a detailed brush to apply some of that mascara on the upper lashes to blend in the natural lashes and the falsies together. So I'm going to go in again now with some eyeliner to cover the lash band. So finally fam, I'm going to take this CB11 detailed brush and going in with Casablanca from the Juvias Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to apply some of this shimmery golden color in the inner tear duct to let the eyeshadow pop and to let the eyes pop. So fam, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and join the Josie fam. And so fam, until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up.